Setup videos. Instructions made simple. A setup video is a 3D photorealistic animation of your product's assembly. Easy-to-follow steps illuminate the setup process, allowing your customers to assemble and enjoy their product faster, reducing hassles and increasing positive product reviews. Please enjoy our smartphone car mount assembly video. There are two options for installing your smartphone car mount. You can install the vent mount option or the windshield mount option. In this video, we will show you how to install the vent mount version of your smartphone holder. Please note that this is an example video only. To make a video for your product, please be sure to visit us online or give us a call for a free quote. Start the assembly by checking the parts list. Verify that the following parts are included with your smartphone car mount. Step 1. Installing the mounting clips. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 1 by aligning two Part C vent clip mounts to the back of the base clip. Part B. Installing the mounting clips is easy. First, take the left vent clip and insert it through the wide center hole on the base clip. Carefully slide the vent clip in and rotate the clip toward the edge to lock it into place. Repeat this step for the right vent mount clip. Next, slide the clip towards the edge and rotate to lock into place. Verify that vent mounting clips are tightly secured. Step 1 is now complete. Step 2. Attaching the base mount assembly. Begin Step 2 by lining up the previously assembled base mount to the rear of the smartphone holder, Part A. With the protruding peg of the mount assembly facing the hole in the back of Part A, push the mount assembly towards the main bottom hole. Make sure to match all three connection points to the mount. Next, slide the mount assembly up into the groove to secure it to Part A. The mount assembly should lock into place as it slides up. Step 2 is now complete. Step 3. Securing your smartphone. In this step, we will show you how to attach your cell phone onto the mount assembly. Begin by pressing the button located on the upper back. Pressing the button will unlock the sides of the holder. Expand the left and right arms until the width between the holder has enough space to secure your phone tightly. For extra support, you can also expand the bottom pegs outward, as shown. Next, place your phone into the holder. Push the upper back button again to unlock the side supports. Push the sides inwards towards the phone to snugly secure your phone. Finally, verify that all connections are tight and your phone is tightly secured. Step 3 is now complete. Step 4. Attaching the smartphone mount onto your car vents. Begin Step 4 by locating the place on your vents you wish to mount your phone. The smartphone holder will attach to any horizontal-facing vent. Please make sure your car vents are open and set at the proper height. Next, push the mount assembly clips through the vent and clip on to one of the vents. Secure the mount by snapping the clip to one of the shutters of the vent, as shown. Please verify that all parts are properly secured and that all parts are fully tightened before continuing. Your new smartphone car mount is ready for use. We hope you enjoyed our smartphone car mount assembly video. Brought to you by Setup Videos.